Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Disney Plus on your Samsung Smart TV and start streaming, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and press the home button on your remote to access the Smart Hub. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps section and search for Disney Plus in the App Store. Step 3. Select the official Disney Plus app and click Install or Download. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, open the Disney Plus app from your app list. Step 5. On the welcome screen, select Login or activate your device. Step 6. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible. Step 7. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to disneyplus.com. Charge begin. Step 8. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV, then log in with your Disney Plus account credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for a subscription. Once verified, your Samsung Smart TV will refresh and Disney Plus will be activated. You can now enjoy Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.